Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to install Homebrew on macOS Monterey and how to install open source graphic software installation through Homebrew. Some important Homebrew commands. So firstly, I am going to show you how to install Homebrew. Open web browser, type google.com, press enter, type in Google search bar, download Homebrew. Let's click on it. Now click on first official website link, brew.sh. Let's click on it. Here it is, open Homebrew web page. Copy this Homebrew command. The command is copied. Then click on Finder. Click on Application. Double click on Utilities. And double click on Terminal. Now our terminal is open now. Let's close Utilities and paste the command and then press Enter. Checking for sudo access command, then press Enter and then press Enter again to installation Homebrew. It will take couple of minutes. As you can see, Homebrew installation was successful. Now I'm going to check Homebrew version. So simply type brew space version. Then press enter on it. Our Homebrew version is 3.5.10. This is our latest version of Homebrew. If you have already installed Homebrew on your Mac, you want to update Brew version, simply type command brew space update. As you can see, it will showing already up to date because I have installed latest version Homebrew. That's why it's showing already up to date. Now I'm going to install open source graphic software VLC media player through Homebrew. So simply type brew search VLC, then press enter on it. As you can see, brew find out VLC. So I'm going to install VLC. Simply type brew space install VLC. Then press enter on it. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to download an installation process. As you can see, our VLC media player was successfully installed. I'm going to check. Click on Launchpad. Here it is. Click on it. Click on open. Click enable metadata retrieval. Now our VLC media player is open. So let's close on it. Now I'm going to remove VLC media player. Simply type brew remove VLC. Press enter on it. As you can see, our VLC media player is removed. Click on Launchpad. Now remove successfully VLC media player. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to download and install Homebrew on macOS Monterey and how to install open source software through Homebrew in macOS Monterey. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.